Welcome to Primus Wealth's Knowledge Channel. Here we share practical tips and solutions to help you pursue your goals with full asset protection, absolute privacy, real control, maximum tax benefits, and of course compliance. In this video, we are going to talk about solutions you can use to protect your assets in case of a divorce. I'm sure that everyone has heard about prenuptial agreements and trusts before, but do you know which one can provide you the greater asset protection in case of a divorce? Today, the EU-registered prenup trusts provide one of the strongest asset protection solutions available and can be designed to meet bespoke client needs as well. Let's see why an EU-registered trust can provide much stronger asset protection for non-EU residents than a prenup agreement or a domestic trust. You need both parties to agree on details of a prenuptial agreement, but they can still be attacked and overturned relatively easily in courts. A US or an offshore trust can provide much better protection for you, and you don't need both parties to set up a trust, but they can still be challenged. The EU-registered prenup trusts, on the other hand, offer even greater security, with 4 levels of EU legal protection. Furthermore, if you register the trust in Hungary, it is extremely difficult to challenge it in court. And even if that does happen, the whole procedure must be undertaken in the Hungarian language, making the process lengthy and challenging. An EU-registered prenup trust offers many options for non-EU residents to protect their assets and stay in control of their finances. Here at Primus Wealth, we have the knowledge and experience to make the EU and international systems work for you and design powerful asset protection structures. It's always worth keeping in mind, though, the sooner you act, the stronger the asset protection we can create for you. Let's look at the example of an EU prenup trust registered in Hungary. The structure of this trust is very similar to the classical UK or US trusts. There is a contractual relationship between the settlor and the trustee, and this creates the trust itself. The settlor transfers the assets under the trust, the trustee becomes the owner and will be registered as the owner of the trust's assets. The beneficiary of the trust can be freely selected by the settlor. Indeed, this may even be the settlor themselves. The big difference is that in the case of an EU trust registered in Hungary, the beneficiary is not the owner of the trust's assets, as there is no dual ownership in Hungary. Therefore, the beneficiary and its creditors cannot challenge the trust. If our client creates a trust and transfers the assets into it before the marriage, those assets are protected from the creditors, claimants of any lawsuit, and of course the potential future ex-spouse as well. If you would like to learn how you can benefit from the EU-based asset protection structures we offer, please visit our website or give us a call.